Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to unbox my latest phone. It's the Samsung S10 Plus. I'm really excited to buy this new phone. I wanted to wait until September when Apple releases the new iPhone, but next year in 2020, Apple is going to release a big milestone iPhone, so I'm just gonna wait for this year. I think the next year version of the iPhone will have the 5G feature, and this phone is powerful enough, so I've been wanting to upgrade my Sony Xperia that I've been using to create my YouTube video, and this phone actually is really nice to touch. I went to Best Buy a couple of weeks ago and I felt it and I look at it and I really like the way it feels, so I decided to buy this one. And for those of you who love to have detailed spec of the Samsung Galaxy S10, this Samsung Galaxy has the Amoled display, a dynamic AMOLED display. It has the 1440 times 3040 pixels, which is really nice. It's really sharp. It has Gorilla display, which make the phone really strong. If you drop it, it has drop resistance. I mean, as long as you don't throw it on purpose. So if you drop it by accident, it doesn't break right away, which is good. And it comes with Android 9 Pie, which is good. That's a pretty decent Android version. And also it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, which is really darn fast. So I'm really excited about it. It's an octa-core, and I picked this particular model because this one has, believe it or not, 1 terabyte storage and 12 gigabyte memory capacity. I'm really excited. So, and I picked this one because it has the dual SIM capacity. That's right, you can put one SIM and one micro SD card to expand the storage, but this already have 1 terabyte, so I'm gonna put dual SIM card, which I like to use. And again, and the S10 comes with the triple camera features. Two of the lenses have 12 megabyte pixels, and the third one has 16 megabyte pixel. That's for the main camera, and then for the selfie camera, it has 10 megapixel feature. So anyway, again, and guess what? Even though this is a modern phone, it has the 3.5 millimeter jack, which I'm still using. So anyway, let's get to the point and unbox this Samsung Galaxy S10. I'm just gonna get my favorite knife, and then I'm just gonna open it up. There you go. This is really exciting. I'm really happy about it. And what is this? Oh well, it has the Samsung sticker, I guess. Well, I'm just gonna open it. There you go. There it is. There. Look at that. Voila! Look, the phone is beautiful. It looks like the size is pretty good. Look at this. I think it's 5.5 inch. Look at this. It feels really heavy and expensive. Look at this. I got the white back version, white ceramic. The phone, the first impression of this phone, it feels extremely. It feels like an expensive phone. It doesn't feel like flimsy. As soon as you pick it up, I'm like, holy cow. And look at this, the side, it has a nice chrome side. With this phone, you don't want to ruin it right away. You want to get what? A case right away. So I'll show you what I did. I bought the Samsung S10, a wallet case. So if you have expensive phone like this, the phone costs 1,125 gross. I know 100 1150. It was on sale, that's why I was able to buy it. So, and then the phone comes with, come here, let's show them what's in the box. It comes with all this serial number. I don't know what that is, and what in the world is this? Let's check it out. Oh, it's a charging cable. Nice. So I don't need this for now. So it has it comes with charging cable, and oh, look at this. It comes with, apparently it looks like a, let's just move it out of the way, a standard headphone, just a jack with cable. I won't take it out right now because I'm not gonna use it, but yeah, this is really cool. And again, look, a charging you know, plug. And what in the world is this? It looks like, oh, converter from this to USB. I think it allows you to directly download. It's like a dongle converter right there. So you connect it right there, and then you can just connect it directly so to USB. This is really interesting. So that's all you get. You're gonna get a phone, a recharger, and recharger cable, and a headphone. So anyway, let's turn it on. Let me put this aside, and let me see, where's the power button? I think this power button is right here. Let's see if, oh, look at that, Samsung Galaxy S10. This is really interesting. Oh, look at that. That is really, really cool. And this phone is heavy, not really heavy, but you know, like, it doesn't feel cheap. If you have a Rolex watch, and there's a watch called Invicta and Rolex, this feels like a Rolex. Here we go. You say, get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps. Okay, it's talking to me right now, so it's guiding me through the step. Let's look at the terms and conditions. Okay. Once you read and agree to these, we can. Well, I won't read everything. I'm gonna read. Okay. Let's go next. The settings and contents from your old device. And I'm just gonna skip the wireless setting. I'm just gonna skip this for now. Look at that. It gives you the option to just. Wi-Fi would be quite handy here. Okay, Wi-Fi. I'm just gonna turn on the Wi-Fi and I'll be back. Hi everyone, I'm back. So what happened? The phone asked me for the Wi-Fi password. I entered it, and then it asked me, would you like to restore the Google account? So I say yes. Big mistake. What happened? I have 109 apps, so the new phone was downloading all 109 apps plus the update. So it's gonna take a while to set up the phone, because if you have an old Android phone and then you buy a new one, if you have a Google account, you can transfer your contacts automatically, because what happened is Android phones backup data to Google Cloud, and then you can pull the data back to your new phone. Come on here, let's show them. The phone is really nice. All my apps are here, and the phone is very responsive. Look at this. To see all your apps, just flick it up like that, and the phone is really, really fast. Look at that. And I'm very happy about it. And the thing is, I'm right-handed, so you can go back and forth, and it's very, very responsive. A handsome looking phone. I'm really excited. And then this is the camera. Look at that. Then yeah, it's really, really nice to have this. Again, it's a good looking phone. So if you're planning to buy the Samsung S10 Plus, it's really nice. It's really it feels good. It's just, I just love touching it. It's just like, that's the criteria of having a good phone. It's just when you touch it, it feels good and easy to navigate, especially if you're right-handed. I think there is an option where you can switch if you're left-handed, and all this button will switch. And then there is an option where you can turn off all the unused apps and just close off, and then clear everything from the memory. And I'm really excited. The problem with this phone, like this newer phone, you want to get what? A case right away and a screen protector, because you don't want to mess up your, because the new smartphones are very expensive, so you want to make sure that you have a nice case like this one. I'm just going to open it up like that. Look at this thing. I really like this one. I like a wallet sized phone. Look, ooh, look at that. Nice. And I'm just gonna, it has, you can put your cards here so that you don't have to carry a wallet with you. You can put your money here, look at that. And then put your credit card, driver's license here. And I really like it. So look, it's really easy. You just plug it in there. And I think I'm gonna keep this plastic cover. I'm just gonna snip it later with scissor. But yeah, this is really nice. So again, and you gotta have a screen protector, which is very important. Look at this. Yeah, see, you want to go ahead and install it right away before you forget, because this is super important. And again, it has all the installation, what do you call that thing, instruction. It's really important when you have expensive phone like this. It comes with all the installation tools. I'm not gonna show it in the video because, you know, yeah, you need screen protector and something to protect your phone. So if you accidentally drop it, you won't go like, oh no, I just lose my $1,000 phone. Yeah, phone is getting really expensive. My Sony Xperia was $700. I dropped it, it cracked the case because even though it was on the, I put it on a really cheap case, it just didn't work. And then I decided to buy a more expensive case. This is lesson learned. If you have expensive phone, get expensive protection. Yeah, so yeah, this is really nice. I'm really happy with the Samsung S10 because it's such a wonderful phone. Look at that. It's so nice and it feels really good. Look at that. And all your apps is gonna be there, and it's very responsive, real fast. Look at that. It's just amazing. Whoop. Interesting. The thing about this app, don't make mistake like I did. It asked, would you like to install all the Samsung apps? And I said, yes. That's the apps that you don't need. It's nice according to Samsung to have, but it's like a bloatware, you know, it's bloating your phone. After this video, I'm going to uninstall all those apps that I accidentally installed. I should have said no, I don't want the bloatware. But that's nice that Samsung actually asked me whether I want to install it or not. The cool thing about this is the dual SIM version. It has 1 terabyte storage, internal storage, and 12 gigabyte memory. So with this one, check this out, guys. Look at this. It has a dual SIM memory. This is my first SIM card, and you install the second one here like that, and then you put it here. Yeah, you have the option of putting micro SD if you wanna increase the space, but this phone already have like 1 terabyte, so I don't need to expand anymore. I like the fact that it has dual SIM. If you own a business, it's really good. One, you don't have to carry 2 phones. One is your business phone and one your personal phone. With a dual SIM, you can switch back and forth. You can put the first SIM as your personal phone and the second SIM as your business phone, which is good. So this is what you do. All you need to do, just put it like that. The 2 SIM card, it's right here, and then do it very gently. Voila. Then let me see, and that's it. And now you have, and then you can go to setting to check it, to make sure there is a, this is where you see your mobile networks right there. So the SIM card manager, you can see that, see? So it's really good to have the dual SIM feature. I'm really excited. I've seen a lot of people carrying like several phones. One is their business phone, one is, you know, whatever, personal phone, and so many phones and all over their pockets with dual SIM. This is really neat. And look at that, it's just telling me, oh look, it's just that's the text message. I just received a text. That means now the SIM card is working. Somebody texting me, and it's just pop the notification. Anyway, again guys, I'm really excited. So I'll put the link in the description where to get this phone. I got it on Amazon Prime. You can click on it and, you know, check it out. My suggestion is go to Best Buy first or any stores and touch it and for yourself to see if you like it or not. For me, I really love this, and this case is really neat. Look at it. It has this magnet locking, so if it falls, it's just like it won't open. So anyway, love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel to show your support. I really need to get to 1 million subscribers. Love you guys. Bye.